butter because to my taste buds, when you put butter on a pan and when the pancakes soak it up, it tastes much better. So if you want a better taste and you want to try something different, try buttermilk.